Welcome everyone to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we are going to begin with showing you around the exterior of the car. I'm also going to talk to you about the major talking points and features of this 420D M Sport Convertible. Presented in Alpine white, and alongside that, of course, it does feature a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit. Included in that is these 20-inch 405 M style alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres. At the front of the car, you'll see it's a 2015 15 plate. It does also include the very eye-catching Angel Eye and Xenon headlamps, and sitting behind those alloys you will see the M Sport Plus brakes. That is thanks to this vehicle being equipped with BMW's fantastic M Sport Plus package, alongside some nice other options which I'm sure to point out shortly. So the last 420D M Sport Convertible we did have in this colour combination was an extremely popular car, and I'm sure this vehicle will be exactly the same thanks to the overall condition being fantastic, and of course the very nice sought after options it does include. Moving down the side of the car, you'll see there the body colour coded air breathers, along with the satin side vinyls, gloss black sidebars and YNC Mperformance decals. And of course, thanks to me having the roof down currently on the car, you'll be able to see that very eye-catching coral red Dakota leather with both the heated electric movement memory, and of course it also comes with the convertible comfort package. So we get the air collar, both the passengers and driver's seats are heated, along with the heated M Sport steering wheel. You'll also see that it's got the Harman Kardon surround sound, again thanks to that plus pack. And the rear seats, you do of course still find a Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement and a central folding armrest. Sitting behind the rear seats in this car, we've got another optional extra in the shape and form of the wind deflector. Now this is of course designed to reduce some of the wind turbulence that can be experienced when travelling at higher speeds with the roof down. And again is a nice optional extra to be equipped to anything with a convertible roof. Moving around towards the rear of the car, we've added a high gloss rear boot spoiler and a satin diffuser. And of course I'm going to show you the luggage compartment, which of course is always a talking point when looking at a convertible. And upon first view you may think it's exactly the same here with this one. However, BMW gives you this little switch which allows us to lift the roof out of the storage tray when the roof is of course folded down. So then we can gain access to the very large boot space for a convertible car, which I'm going to show you shortly. So once that's all lifted out, you lift the tray open, and there you can see the boot space is very good indeed. It also comes with genuine BMW floor mats, of course, and everything is very clean and tidy within there. And we'll quickly fold everything back down where it should go and move around to the other side of the car and swiftly move into the interior itself, where of course I can show you a little bit more detail. So round at the other side of the car, again, you'll be able to see there that this Alpine white does work extremely well with all of the additions we've made here at Your Next Car, along with being very clean and tidy. Again, showing you off those fantastic 405 M style alloys. And we're going to move on inside the car, starting with popping the roof up. So towards the end of the video, I can show you what the car looks like with that all the way closed. So now I'm sat comfortably. First of all, like I say, I'll start the car up and just quickly get the roof to start to come up, which again, it's a very quick operation. With the roof, you can also do it of up to speeds at 15 miles an hour. This 4 Series has covered just over 44,000 miles. And as you can see there, the roof will now start to come up. And in a moment, we'll get a little audible noise to tell us that that's done. We've got dual climate control. As I mentioned, we've also got the heated seats in the front, alongside that fantastic heated M Sport steering wheel, which again, when I've got a hand free in just a second, I can show you a bit more of. There we go. So now the roof movement is complete. Up here we find our professional wide navigation and media screen. So that of course houses your satellite navigation, your Bluetooth for telephone and audio, along with DAB. We've also got a wide array of other multimedia inputs, including music collection. Our external devices is for USB, Bluetooth audio and AUX. So everything to keep you covered in and to utilise that full system of Harman Kardon very nicely. Back at the main menu, I'll quickly scroll down and take a look at the vehicle information and service history. We've got full BMW service history with this car, and the next service is not due for 11,000 miles. And as you can see there, full BMW service history right from the first service all the way up to the most recent, which is of course a fantastic peace of mind. So down here we find the controls for the air collar. With that activated, we will get a nice warm draft of air coming through these vents here, of course meaning you can have your roof down for longer. So I do hope you've enjoyed the walk around video of this 420D M Sport Convertible, and hopefully you found it useful. For further information, don't forget that in the description you'll be able to find a link to our website where you can view the car in a bit more detail, alongside pictures and of course a full advert write-up on this stunning car. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and hopefully guys, we'll see yourselves very, very soon. Do of course take care. Thank you and goodbye.